RayRay, I think it's time to take you to the groomers. Your beard is getting a bit out of control. You look like Will Forte in The Last Man on Earth. What's up, guys? Long time no see. Although it probably doesn't seem that long to you because I got so behind on editing not vlogs. What had happened was when I first got this little camera, sorry RayRay, I bumped you in the nose. When I first got this little camera, I was filming almost every day with it and I couldn't keep up with how much I was filming editing wise. So I'm finally caught up. Quite a bit of time has passed since the last time I picked up the camera to not vlog. As you can see, RayRay is the same old RayRay. But we're sitting here. I was just tidying up my place a little bit because I've got a friend coming into town just for one night. It's actually my friend Nancy, who is my oldest friend. We have been friends since I was 11 years old. She now lives in San Francisco, and I, of course, live in LA, and I have not seen her in way too long because I go up to SF fairly frequently to visit my best friend Rick, who happens to also be from Queens. So two of my like closest, most important friends from Queens both live in SF, but they don't know each other. They've met because Rick was my +1 to her wedding a few years ago. Anyway, long story short, she's coming down, but I haven't seen her in a good 3-4 years, so I'm really excited. And she discovered my YouTube channel completely organically. Like, I never told her I made YouTube videos or that I had a YouTube channel. And she somehow stumbled upon my channel because I guess she just watches a lot of beauty content. But anyway, she came across my channel completely just through her YouTube wanderings. I was texting me, freaking out that she couldn't believe it was me and that I hadn't told her. But I never really tell people in my life about my YouTube channel unless it happens to come up in conversation. I don't ask people to watch my videos. I prefer people I know didn't watch my videos, honestly. It's just weird to me. Like, YouTube life is separate from life for me. But in any event, she watches my channel now, and she's been watching the not vlogs and seeing me working out as I'm going through cut. And she wants to work out with me. So we are gonna go to the gym once she gets in and gets settled. Her flight lands, I think, in like 15 minutes. So it'll probably be another hour before she gets here, just with deplaning and getting a car and everything to my place. I gotta tell you, the advent of Uber and Lyft has been a wonderful thing for not having to take friends to the airport or pick friends up from the airport. I mean, I still do it here and there, but I love that most people just don't even ask anymore, and it is lovely. So yeah, I'm really excited for Nancy to be here. But in the meantime, I'm just drinking my pre-workout, my homemade cold brew black, and you know, just doing a little last bit of kind of dusting and Swiffering and stuff because my place was looking a little cluttered, which is the nature of decluttering. It's just like you're pulling all your crap out so you just have it all everywhere instead of hoarded away in your closets. I have to say I've gotten a lot more ruthless in this declutter project. I've never read Marie Kondo's book or anything. I mean, I'm sure it's a quick read, but I also feel like I don't need to read it. I'm not going to be a minimalist. I'm never going to realistically do that because in terms of the things that I like to wear and stuff, I am too much of a chameleon for that. Not to mention playing around with makeup and things that I love for a while and then come back to later and put down for a while and so on. So I'll never be a minimalist, but I do concede I have entirely too much shit. And I'm becoming a lot less precious as I've definitely been taking my time with this. It's been going on for months and months, but I've become a lot less precious with getting rid of things and being like, oh, well, I spent this much on that. Let me see if I can at least finish up this product, that sort of thing. If it's something that I do not enjoy, I don't care. It's going. It's not doing anything for me by keeping it in my life. And it's a lot more of a relief to just let things go. What's on your mind? Well, it's just gonna be me and this weirdo until Nancy gets here. So yeah, I will see you guys a bit later.
Oh, quiet. Hi. I didn't think I was ever gonna make it.
Oh yeah, easy.
Sorry.
There's all kinds of crap in here.
How are you?
It's oh, good to see you. Come on in.
Oh my god.
Hey, Ray, get inside.
Holy cow.
Yeah, I used to do. What's up, guys? The last time you saw me, my leggings were snitching on my crotch sweat, but now I'm back home. Just took little Miss Ray here for a walk, and Nancy is in the bathroom. Are you doing makeup, Nancy?
Yes.
She says she's doing makeup. I was telling her not too long ago when we were having some dinner that I will often go out and just wear my skincare, and I will look like a piece of rotisserie chicken, and it doesn't seem to matter. Guys are horny no matter what you look like. Maybe because she's doing makeup, I'll do at least some concealer and mascara. I'll actually put in some effort for once in my life. Ray Ray, what are you gonna wear? Do you want to be on the vlog? There she is. I'm not going to force my friends to be on my not vlogs because it's super awkward. So I probably won't see you guys again for the rest of tonight because we're gonna go and get a couple adult beverages. But I will see you guys tomorrow because I going to a brunch at a friend's house, and Ray Ray's best friend. This is Ray Ray's best friend's human, so there will be a reunion between Ray Ray and her best friend Scout, which I am very excited for, but Ray Ray doesn't even know about yet, so that should be cool. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Good morning, guys. My Nancita has left me, but at least I still have my Ray Ray. It's just Ray Ray and me here. Nancy just left. She was meeting up with some friends, and they were gonna go out to San Diego, the whale's vagina, for a little girls trip weekend. Some friends of hers from work and stuff, or past jobs, I should say. So I'm just here at home. And I decided that today I am not intermittent fasting because after the gymnasium where they low-key, actually not even low-key, they straight up told Nancy she couldn't work out there because I guess they have a new policy where they don't have drop-ins for open gym. Like you can only take classes, and I don't take classes at my gym. I work myself out. And the whole plan was for Nancy to work out with me and do my workout. Because no one was at the front desk when we got there, we were like, look, I'm not gonna wait around all day. Let's just get started, and hopefully someone can like let you sign a waiver whenever. So we're starting our first movement in the workout, and someone comes over like, are you a member? And long story short, they were like, she can't work out here. She's not a member. We changed our policy. So yet another strike with this fucking gym because they have pissed me off enough times in the short time I've been going there. I'm really debating whether I want to continue after my 3-month contract ends, which is soon. Anyway, after the gym, Nancy and I got a bite to eat because we were both famished, and you know, I'm doing this intermittent fasting, so I hadn't eaten all day up to that point. But then I also didn't eat anything after that at all. So we went out partying, and that was the only meal I had for the entire day. So I woke up super hungry today, and I was just like, we ain't intermittent fasting today. I'm gonna get some breakfast. I had to step out because I have I don't know why they're calling it a brunch because it's at 3 p.m. But I'm going to a brunch with some of my old work friends, funny enough. And I'm excited to see everyone, but it's not until 3. And I think I'm gonna make these lemon bars that I saw. They came up in my suggested videos here on YouTube. It was a video from Divas Can Cook, which I had never heard of before, but she calls them lemon brownies, but there's no brown. There's no like chocolate or anything involved, but they're more of a brownie texture rather than an actual lemon bar texture. Because you know lemon bars have like the crust on the bottom and that sort of like jelly portion on top. I love a classic lemon bar, but these looked super delicious, and I've been wanting to make them ever since I saw the video, but I'm like, I'm not gonna make a whole pan for myself. So I had to pop out and pick up a couple of ingredients for that. So I'm just kind of digesting my breakfast right now, which honestly I feel like I could continue eating. I'm still hungry, so I might have a little something more. And I will bring you guys with me into the kitchen when I go to make these lemon brownies. I can't wait to try one of these things. They look so good. All right, you guys, it is about time for me to get started on making these lemon brownies. I had some breakfast, I ran some errands, I had some lunch. I gotta tell you, eating when I feel like it has been clutch as fuck today. Severely underrated. But anyway, I'm gonna get started. I just set my oven to preheat at 325. So let me actually look at these ingredients. So this is the recipe we're working with. Now I did see this as a YouTube video originally, but they had a link so you could actually just get the written recipe to the Divas Can Cook website. Don't these things look freaking delicious? Oh my goodness. So let's see here. Now I did have to go out and pick up a couple of things like I told you guys earlier, but I have butter now. I got some sugar. Actually no, I had sugar. eggs, room temperature, so let me set those out. I'm gonna fake buttermilk with almond milk and either vinegar or lemon juice. I had to pick up some flour, which I just got from the bulk bin at the Sprouts, because I didn't want to have a bunch of flour that I'm not gonna use. It cost me less than $1 doing it that way as well. Salt, lemon juice, I got plenty of lemons, lemon zest, lemon extract I had to pick up today, and then powdered sugar as well for the glaze. So let's get started. The lemon bar brownie things are pretty much done. I put the glaze on and it's supposed to set, like kind of harden before you cut them, and it's taking forever, and I am officially late for this late ass brunch. So I actually popped them in the fridge to try to get that process to speed up, but I'm so excited for RayRay to see her bestie Scout. She actually looked at me just now when I said Scout's name. She looked over here. Oh, she's so smart. I'm so excited. She has no idea that she's about to have a really nice play session with her bestie, who she has not seen since late last year. So this is gonna be, I'm like, my heart is bursting. So I'm gonna bring the camera for sure. The battery is flashing at me, so I gotta grab my spare. And yeah, this is gonna be fun. Since Derek left, I think, right?
Oh, no, RayRay's just trying to. RayRay's, hi.
Yeah, RayRay's like, hi people I haven't seen in so long, it's been months. I was like, play with me.
You jealous? Come on, chill.
That, I remember that too. Okay.
Okay, she's trying to go down.
I'm glad you're giving me that.
Oh, shit.
Please tell me someone got that.
Ray, all of your friends.
Stop that. She never does.
What's up, guys? It is now Sunday, the next day. You saw us having our little get together with some of my old coworkers, and they're all content creators, so I felt fine grabbing a little bit of footage there, but I didn't really want to just have my camera out the whole time. But I did actually want more for myself than anything to get a little footage of RayRay and Scout having their little reunion, because they're best friends and they haven't seen each other in so long. Battery died. I hope everything looks the same. It's Sunday now. I'm just getting home from brunch with a few of my college pals, which was really fun. And I think I'm just gonna be chilling out, maxing, relaxing, all cool for the rest of today. Tomorrow night, one of my favorite bars in LA is doing an all Michael Jackson music night, and they're also showing Moonwalker. So I'm going to that with some of my friends, and I'm really excited. And I've invited this guy who I've been seeing, so it's honestly premature for him to be meeting any of my friends, because like nothing is like, we've just started seeing each other, but whatever. That'll be tomorrow night, but the rest of today I think is gonna be pretty chill. I've had kind of a high activity level weekend with Nancy being in town and us going out on Friday, which was, man, I got some stories from that night, I gotta tell you. But Friday was really, really fun. Yesterday I had my get together with my coworker friends and RayRay's little play date / reunion with Scout, and then I had a brunch today, so it's been kind of an action-packed weekend for me. So I'm looking forward to enjoying the rest of my Sunday and having a nice quiet afternoon. Let's get a little bit more RayRay in the frame for the sign off. In any event, that is gonna do it for this Not vlog. Thanks for spending the weekend with Ray and I, and we will see you in the next Not vlog. Bye bye.
That's a nappy-headed hose there, I'm gonna tell you that now.